How to invest in US companies from Nigeria. Most Nigerians are not aware that they can start investing in big companies like Apple, Facebook, Coca-Cola, and every other company that they can think of, every other global company that they can think of right from Nigeria here. It is of course not their fault, because if you don't have the information, there is nothing you can do. But here are the 5 steps I want to show you on how to become a part owner of these big companies right from Nigeria. Also, this is something that you can start with as low as 5,000 naira, and if you want something standard to start with, you can start with as low as 10,000 naira. Of course, don't forget to check the comment below. I will leave a link to my guide on how to start investing in these companies right from Nigeria. At the meantime, let me show you how to get started. Before we get started, let me show you why you need to start investing in these big companies. Investing in companies generally give you 2 ways to earn money with your investments. The first is called dividend gain, and the second is capital gain. The dividend gain is simply a way of earning money from this big company anytime they make money. Anytime these companies make profit, they share the profits with their investors, which you are going to be part of if you start investing in these companies now. So that is what is called dividend income. The second gain or income is called capital income or capital gain. Capital gain is simply when you invest in those companies, their value increase, and when their value increase, the money you put in them also increase accordingly. So that is what is capital gain, and the 2 main ways to earn from this company. And the third way, which is an extra for Nigerian, why they need to invest in the New York stock market other than the remaining benefit I'm going to show you, is inflation gain. Inflation gain is simply a gain you get when the naira go down. Of course, you as a citizen doesn't have a control over how the naira perform in the international money market. So we all know that the naira is falling daily, which is another way you as a citizen of Nigeria can earn from this global company another third stream of income, which is inflation gain. Inflation gain is when you invest when the dollar is 500 or 600 and the dollar turn 800 or 700, you gain while other people of course may lose. So those are the 3 ways you get to earn income from these big companies. Now, another reason why you should invest in this big company is that they involve you in their decision making. So you become a decision maker in those company once you become a shareholder in the company. Another important reason why you need to become a shareholder in those company is the fact that the leadership of those company are very strong, and the country they are located in have the enabling environment for the companies to easily increase in value and share profit with their shareholders. So those are some of the reasons why you need to start investing in global companies right here from Nigeria. Of course, you don't need a passport, you don't need any document. All you need is your bank account to both verify your own identity and collect payment. That is the only document you need. Every other thing is like opening your favorite social media account. It take even less time. So the number first step you need to get started in the New York stock market is to have a goal. As an investor or a practicing investor, you need to always have a goal on what you want to achieve and why you are going into investment. This can simply be you want to invest so that your money will increase and you will get capital gain, or you want to invest so that those companies can share their profit with you every 3 months or every twice a year or 1 year. And the third reason can just be you want to start building your own financial portfolio. And another not so fun way is that you just want to invest so that when the naira is decreasing, your money is intact and possibly increasing. So that is the first step you need to know. You need to have a goal of what you want to do with your investment journey. Of course, you can change this goal later or amend it later or include some other things later, but you need to have a goal to get started. The second step to start investing in the New York Stock Exchange is to do research about your company, the company you want to invest in. Of course, you are not actually investing in US stock exchange. You are investing in particular companies. So this company that you want to invest in, let's assume you choose to invest in Apple or Coca-Cola. So you need to analyze their performance. How did they perform in the past 5 years? If you download the guide, I will show you a broker platform that give you 5 years analysis of every company listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and you know exactly what you are expecting from this company, either in terms of capital gain or dividend paying gain. So you need to analyze your company so that you will invest right. The third step is to consider brokers and their fees. You cannot invest on any stock exchange in the world without a broker because of regulations, and so that your money can also be very secure. But some brokers charge higher than others, so you need to know this and know exactly how to go about your broker and their fee. Considering broker in terms of how reliable are they, how long have they been in the game, though that doesn't really matter, or how quickly they respond to your message when you send a message. In terms of fee, you need to know if I'm placing an order to buy a share, how much will I be charged, and how much will I be charged when I'm withdrawing my own share. It can also be how long will it take for them to send your money to you once you want to withdraw. In average, if you are investing in the New York Stock Exchange from Nigeria, to sell your share is instant, and after selling your share, it will take you 2 days for your money to be available to withdraw, and another 2 days to make your withdrawal into your own local bank account. So you need to consider their reliability and the fees they charge. Of course, all these are in the guide on how to invest in global company that I leave the link below. The fourth step is to sign up and fund your account. Sign up and fund your account. If you are using like the one I use personally, the only thing you need to get started is your own bank account and BVN to verify your identity. to get started with. But if you are using any other platform or any other broker, you need stuff like a passport, a proof of residence, and any other thing that your local bank require to open an account and get it approved to start trading. So you can get started just by opening account and verifying your identity with your own BVN or a bank account. So it is as easy. The final step is buy your share and monitor it. You have a goal why you want to invest already. You have researched your company and know their performance for the past 5 years or even 15 years. You have considered your broker and their fees, and you have signed up on your preferred broker's platform. The final step is to buy the share of your preferred companies and start monitoring the performance of your investment. It is as simple as transferring your money to your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or your parents or your children. So it is an easy thing to do, and of course you can monitor your investment every 3 months or every 1 year if that is what you want. Of course you can monitor it every day if you are not tired. So it is right on your palm. And the bonus step is to download your shareholder certificate and laminate it. If you are, this is very important if you are investing for the long term, or you are investing for 5 years or 2 years even. Download your shareholder certificate, laminate it, and keep it somewhere. Anything can happen anytime, and when that happen, God forbid, anybody from your family can go and claim that share that you own in that global company using your shareholder certificate. It is as simple as anything you can think of. So these are the steps you need to start investing in any big company that you can think of right here from Nigeria. If this video helped you, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any question, and of course don't forget, check the description. I leave a link to my guide on how to start investing in this global company right from Nigeria. This will give you more insight on how to start your investment journey, things to avoid and things to do, so that your investment journey, both short-term and long-term invest journey, can be a smooth one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Lokosu Sylvain. Thank you for watching.